When I was just a filly, I found it rather silly to see how many other ponies I could meet. I had my books to read, didn't know that I would ever need other ponies to make my life complete. But there was one colt that I cared for. I knew he would be there for me. My big brother. My big brother, best friend forever. Like two peas in a pod, we did everything together. He taught me how to fly a kite. We never had a single fight. We shared our hopes, we shared our dreams. I miss him more than I realize, it seems. Beautiful bride, a handsome groom, two hearts becoming one. A bond that cannot be undone because love is in bloom. A beautiful bride, a handsome groom. I said love is in bloom. You're starting a life and making room for us. A special day, we celebrate now the pony way. Your friends are all right here. Won't let these moments disappear because love is in bloom. A beautiful bride, a handsome groom. I said love is in bloom. You're starting a life and making room for us. My big brother, best friend forever. Like two peas in a pod, we did everything together. He taught me how to fly a kite. We never had a single fight. Best friend forever. Like two peas in a pond, you did everything together. And though he's oh so far away, I hope that he would stay. My big brother, best friend forever. Beautiful bride,